How to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories, open the Instagram application first on your device and make sure you are logged in. Now swipe towards the right and you will be led to the interface from where you can add stories and post. Tap on Stories and now tap on the album-like icon. You will be allowed to select pictures from here and now for your story. Tap on the select option you see there and you will be able to select multiple pictures or videos at once. Go ahead and select the media of your choice and then tap on the arrow-like icon on your screen. In order to add music, tap on sticker icon and you will see the option for music. Tap on that and select the song you want to add to story. Repeat the same process and add the same music in other medias too you have selected. And this is how you can put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.